Welcome to Ross's Point, just outside Sligo town. The main street's just in there. We'll just take a little ride up the main street, let you see it. As you can see over there, it's very pretty, so we'll get the drone up for a little fly around there. But this will be the main street. Not much to it. I've stayed here a couple of times. There's a hotel that well, the last time we were here was left a lot to be desired. So it was really poor. When we got there, the room wasn't made up, and the bed was absolutely really dirty. They put us to another room, and it was really dirty. And then the third attempt, we got a room that was clean. That's will not be back. Let's put it that way. You know, when you have a bad experience like that, there you'll not be back. But that's the main street. Not much to it. As I say, there's a pub there where quite a few people sitting outside it. As you can see to the left, it's absolutely lovely. But as I say, we'll get a fly around there. There's a lighthouse there and whatever. But it's a shame that the hotel being so bad, because it's just a lovely place to be. And that's the hotel there, Yates Country Hotel, and it was really poor. But there you go. Maybe if the bed had been made up and I couldn't see all the stains on it, it might have been alright, but it definitely wasn't for me. Golf club there for the golfers as well. So back down, we'll get a bit of a look. Lovely monument here, which I'll stop and get a video of, and might fly the drone from here. In fact, I will fly a drone from here, as it's a good location as any. That's quite a haunting monument. It's to do with sailors being lost at sea and their loved ones reaching out for them. There's a sign to the side of it, but it is quite haunting. If you go down this direction, there is an RNLI station, lifeboat station. So that's poignant where it is. So, and that's it, waiting on shore. If you want to read that, hit a pause. It should be well in focus. Just pan that around.